Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is the binomial theorem. First of all, I will teach binomial theorem according to our textbook, and then we will look at the entrance point of view, few extra additional thing in the NCERT and for the JEE mains. So first of all, we start with the topic, that is a basic definition. What does exactly mean? So binomial theorems means what? Bi means two. There is two terms, so therefore it is called as a binomial theorem. So there are expressions which you know, a plus b raised to 1. So what is that? A plus b. A plus b the whole square. What is that? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a plus b the whole cube. What is that? It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, like this. So now, what will be a plus b raised to 4? What will be the a plus b raised to 4? Can you write a plus b raised to 4? What should be a plus b raised to 4? If you look at this, you will find that a plus b raised to 4 is equals to a raised to 4 plus 4a raised to 3b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b raised to 4. If I know the previous expression, I can easily write what is the next. So how to write that next? How we got this one? So there is very simple thing in this. Have I got this one? It's very simple thing in this. If you look at this, the sum of the coefficients are 1, 1 in this. It is 1, 1. After that, the coefficient become 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Next is 1, 3, 3, 1. It is 1, 3, 3, 1. So how this coefficient we are getting? Basically, the sum of these two, 1 and 1 will give the 2. That is called as a Pascal's triangle. The Pascal's coefficients. So what is the Pascal's triangle here? The student, the Pascal triangle is, if you write 1, 1 as a coefficient in the first expression, the second expression is the sum of these two, that is 2, and again the last is 1, 1. The next is sum of these two, that is 3, 3, and again 1, 1. Next coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That is sum of these two is here, sum of this two is here, sum of this two is here, like that. The same, we look at the coefficient 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So you get that value here, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So you will get that coefficient from this triangle. And if you observe the power of a here, the power of a is a raised to 1, the next is a raised to 0. In the second expression, for a plus b the whole square, it is a square, a raised to 1, then a raised to 0. The power of a decreases. Here it is a cube, a square, a raised to 0. A raised to 4, a cube, a square, a, and a raised to 0, like this. The power of a goes on decreasing, and the power of b is increasing. It is b raised to 0, b raised to 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 for b power, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the power of b is increasing. So with the help of this, can you write what is a plus b raised to 5? Yes, dear student, you can write easily. What is a plus b raised to 5? the power of A will goes on decreasing and the power of B will goes on increasing. So first term is always A raised to 5. The next is A raised to 4. Next, A raised to 3. A raised to 2. A raised to 1. And the last is A raised to 0. A raised to 0, but A raised to 0 is what? 1. So there is no need to write the term A raised to 0, it is the same as 1. Similarly, here it is B raised to 0, B raised to 1, B raised to 2, B raised to 3, B raised to 4, and the last is what? B raised to 5. Again, B raised to 0 is 1, so there is no need to write that term. So the power of A decreases, power of B increases like this. What is the coefficient? Coefficient will take from the what? The Pascal's triangle. What is that? The sum of these two, that is 5, 10, 10, 5, and the first and last is 1, 1. So here it is what? 1, the next is 5, 10, 10, 5, and that is 1. So the power, this expression is like this. It is A raised to 5, 5 A raised to 4B. 10 A cube is B square, and like this. So using this, we can easily write even A plus B raised to 6. So this particular expressions in which the two terms are involved and their power, the expression is called as a binomial expression. It's called a binomial expression. So what is a binomial theorem? When you write the same thing in general formula, then it is called as a binomial theorem. So what's the binomial theorem, dear? What's the binomial theorem, dear student? So remember that the same theorem, same expression, if you write in general, then that particular formula which is valid for any power, the n is anything, the particular formula is applicable. In that case, that is called as a binomial theorem. So here, the Pascal triangle does give you 1. The 1 is nothing but 1C0. The next one is 1C1. Similarly, it is 2C0, 2C1, 2C2. So what is this? It is 3C0. Yes, it is 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. But basically these expressions are nothing but this is 5C0 value, this is 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, and this is 5C5, like this. So this expressions here, in this expression, can we write the general formula for A plus B raised to n? Yes, we can write the general formula for A plus B raised to n. What is that? If the first term here, if you observe, is always 0, then 1, then 2, and then whatever the power is there, that is there. So it is, we can write this as NC0, A power, that is A raised to n, plus NC1, A raised to n minus 1, B raised to 1. Plus NC2 A raised to n minus 2 B raised to 2. And similarly, it will be the power of A decreases, power of B increases, power of B here is 0, then 1, then 2. The power of B increases, power of A decreases, and the coefficients are NC0, NC1 like this. So last term will be what? It is NCn B raised to n. So this particular expression, this particular formula is called as binomial theorem. This particular formula is called as binomial theorem. So that is the formula for binomial theorem. Understood, student? It's a very simple concept and very simple formula, and we should know how to find what is the coefficient for the higher power. If the power is very large, then we should know how to find NC0 value, NC1 value, NC2 values. So how to find their values here? How to find the values? We'll go with that. Remember that the NC0 is always equal to what? 1. NC1 is n. NC2 is n minus 1 upon 1 into 2. That is 2 factorial, we can say. So generalized NC3 is n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 1, 2, 3. So what is the formula? NCR is equal to what? What is NCR? It is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So it's like this. NCR is given by n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So this is a formula to find out the NCR. So what's the binomial expression? What's the binomial formula here? So binomial formula is a plus b raised to n is nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2, like this, ncn b raised to n. So this particular expression is called as a binomial theorem. So using this, we will just evaluate a few questions based on this. Hello. So a minus b raised to n, what will be that? Because a plus b is like this, so same expression, nc0 a raised to n, nc1 a raised to n minus. Now here, now b is basically you have to replace with minus b. The reason is this expression can be written as a plus minus b raised to n. It is the meaning of this. That means the same formula, but only the b is replaced by what? Minus b. The rest is same. So because of that, what happens? C. So the next term will be what? nc2 a raised to n minus 2 minus b square and so on. So the last term will be what? ncn minus b raised to n. So clearly from this, when the power of minus b is odd, it will be negative sign. When the power of minus b is even, it will be what? Positive sign. Therefore, this expression becomes nc0 a raised to n minus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square and so on. So that means there is alternate plus then minus and plus then minus, like this expression will come when the power when this sign of b is opposite, that is minus b. When the b is replaced by minus b, then this becomes like this expression. This alternate plus minus sign will come, and therefore ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं. There is no need to just remember this formula. But remember that whenever there is b is replaced with minus b, there is alternate plus minus sign. The reason behind is this, that is when there is an odd power, it will be negative. When there is an even power, it is positive in the expression.